Hey, did you know that Ring makes a Ring Retrofit alarm kit? Stay tuned to see how it gets installed. What up? It's Wil Vitela. Come on in and check out this latest home technology expert project. This is a home in Yorba Linda, California that we did for an alarm system. Now, the builder originally wired it for the doors and all of the windows all around the house for a 911 custom monitoring system. But that's okay that it's custom and it's hidden and it's clean looking, because guess what? Home technology expert can come in and utilize these built-in sensors in the windows and the doors all the way around and retrofit it for a Ring alarm system with 911 professional monitoring for only $200 a year, less than $17 a month. Inside of the closet, you're going to have wiring like this. OMG, stop the madness. What a mess. Look at this. I hate it when other people come in and just do a sloppy job. Not a problem. Here's what I do first. I come in to clean it up, put in a better eero Pro Wi-Fi 6E mesh router and Wi-Fi antennas around the house, and then I install a Ring alarm retrofit kit that can take over that custom wiring and those custom sensors and the doors and the windows. Wow, look at the before and after. Gorgeous, clean, professionally done the home technology expert way. Now that's what's up. That's how you get it professionally done, and it just brings me so much joy to come to a house. It's absolutely just a mess when it comes down to the wires. Nothing works right for the internet or the alarm system, and I come in. The internet works better. You have a badass alarm system. And also, by the way, the Ring alarm system has smoke detectors like this and carbon monoxide detectors to cover you for fire. And also, Ring makes glass break sensors to cover the window, glass breakage, and trigger the 911 alarm system. Wow, this is a complete alarm system for, again, $200 a year, less than $17 per month. Wow, this is amazing. And shout out to Jody. Thank you for inviting Home Technology Expert to come in and update your home. If you would like to update your home, go to hometechexpert.com and click on Schedule a Free Estimate.